Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down the top 5 best drones you can buy on Aliexpress in 2026. These drones range from professional 8K GPS quadcopters to compact GPS drones with advanced flight features. We'll cover key specs, performance, pros and cons, and help you choose the right drone for your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 2025 V168 Pro Max GPS Drone, 8K Professional HD, Obstacle Avoidance. 8K Professional HD Camera, GPS Positioning, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, 360-degree Obstacle Avoidance, Brushless Motors, Large Screen Remote Controller. The V168 Pro Max is a top-tier drone designed for serious aerial photography. It features a stunning 8K camera that captures crisp, high-resolution footage. The integrated GPS makes flight paths stable and precise, and with 5G Wi-Fi FPV connectivity, you get real-time video feed with minimal lag. One of the standout features is its 360-degree obstacle avoidance, which helps protect the drone from accidental crashes during flight. The brushless motors provide smooth and powerful flight performance, while the large screen on the remote makes it easy to monitor your flight and footage. In testing, this drone hovered steadily in windy conditions and handled complex flight modes without jitter. The large remote screen is bright and responsive, making it easy to navigate menus and FPV footage even in bright daylight. Pros: high-resolution 8K camera, excellent stability with GPS, 360-degree obstacle avoidance improves safety, strong flight performance from brushless motors. If you want pro-level video quality and advanced flight safety features, the V168 Pro Max is one of the best options available on Aliexpress right now. Number 2. Mini Drone GPS HD Camera, SG109 Pro Max. GPS-enabled flight, HD camera with 4K capability, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, 4.5-inch large screen controller, compact quadcopter design. The SG109 Pro Max is a great pick for beginners and casual users. Despite its size, it offers a stable GPS flight system and a 4K capable camera for capturing clear aerial shots. The quadcopter pairs with a large 4.5-inch screen remote that makes viewing your FPV feed and controlling the drone intuitive, even for first-time flyers. 5G Wi-Fi ensures a strong and smooth video link between the drone and controller. During flight tests, this mini drone handled outdoor conditions well, and the GPS kept it stable during hover and directional flight. The 4K camera delivered good footage for a drone in its size category, and the controller screen made piloting user-friendly. Pros: portable and lightweight, GPS stability for reliable flights, large screen remote increases control visibility. This is an excellent choice if you want a budget-friendly, easy-to-fly GPS drone with good video quality and a straightforward remote experience. Number 3. L600 Pro Max GPS Drone, 8K Dual Camera, 3-Axis Gimbal. 8K Professional HD Dual Cameras, 3-Axis Gimbal Stabilization, GPS Flight System, 360-degree Obstacle Avoidance, 5G Wi-Fi FPV. The L600 Pro Max looks like a mix of high-performance features and professional flight tools. It's equipped with dual 8K cameras, one mounted on a 3-axis gimbal for ultra-stable footage and another fixed for wide-angle shots. The GPS flight system offers precise positioning, and the 360-degree obstacle sensors help keep the drones safe in complex environments. Coupled with 5G Wi-Fi FPV, the L600 delivers a comprehensive aerial experience. The gimbal stabilization is a highlight, keeping footage steady even during fast maneuvers. GPS lock-on was quick, and the drone responded well to directional controls. The redundant cameras give you flexibility for creative video angles. Pros: dual 8K cameras for versatile footage, gimbal stabilization improves video quality, advanced obstacle avoidance. For videographers and content creators who want cinematic shots and smooth recording, the L600 Pro Max is hard to beat. Number 4. New SX1 Max GPS Drone, 4K 3-axis gimbal. Professional 4K camera, 3-axis stabilizing gimbal, GPS flight system, brushless motors, large screen remote. The SX1 Max combines portability with solid flight and filming features. Its 4K camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal provides stabilized, high-quality footage. GPS mode ensures precise flight tracking and position hold, while brushless motors contribute to smoother flight and increased longevity. The folding design makes this drone easier to carry, and the large screen controller improves FPV clarity. We found the SX1 Max to be agile in tight spaces and steady during outdoor flights. The gimbal does an excellent job reducing shake, and the controller's display helps maintain visual awareness. Pros: smooth and stable 4K recording, compact and portable design, GPS stability and reliable control link. A balanced choice for pilots who want quality video and portability without sacrificing flight performance. Number 5. SX1 Max GPS Drone, 5-kilometer range, 4K camera. Professional 4K camera, GPS flight and positioning, 3-axis gimbal, 5G digital image transmission, up to 5-kilometer FPV. This version of the SX1 Max boosts signal range up to 5 kilometers, allowing greater FPV distance and smoother video transmission. It features a reliable GPS flight system, a stabilizing 3-axis gimbal for clear footage, and a 4K camera that performs well in a variety of environments. In flight tests, this drone maintained a strong connection even at longer distances. The camera recorded consistently stable footage, and the GPS made navigating open areas straightforward. The advanced transmission technology keeps latency low and responsiveness high. Pros: extended FPV range up to 5 kilometers, stable GPS control and transmission, good 4K video quality. If long-range flight and reliable 5G transmission are your priorities, this drone offers impressive performance at a competitive price. That's our list of the top 5 best drones on Aliexpress for 2026. Whether you want top-tier 8K video, easy-to-fly GPS stability, or extended range FPV capability, these drones deliver performance and value. Check the links in the description to learn more or grab your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews.